do we have here? Oh man, newest GoPro here. And this is technically, I'm not supposed to have this yet. It's mid-March. My birthday's at the end of March, but it's my birthday present from my beautiful wife. She said I could open it early because she didn't want to wrap it, frankly. Anyway, we've got the GoPro 7 Black here, and it was actually a really great deal because right now GoPro is doing something called a trade-up program, which is basically where you send them any old digital camera. I literally sent them, I think it's a 10-year-old DSC HX5V blah blah blah. It's an old digital camera. Basically they say you can send in any old digital camera and they'll give you $100 off the brand new Hero 7 Black or the GoPro Fusion, which is the 3D one. Anyway, all I'm going to do today is do a quick unboxing of the Hero 7. I've been waiting all day to pop this baby out of the box. Alright, here comes the fun part. So we'll go ahead and just do a quick review of the box itself. It does look very nice. Has the clear kind of plastic plexiglass thing up top here just to kind of show you the camera itself. Make sure that it says Hero 7 Black on the side, because they do have other 7 series, but this one does in fact say Black on it. And that is the top of the line GoPro, so that's awesome. Things that are included in the box, obviously the GoPro, just the kind of the mount surround itself. There's a screw there, battery, like a clip for a helmet. These are stick-on things for like a helmet, and then you have your USB. It says made for iPhone and iPad. I've heard mixed reviews of the app for Android, so we will see what happens there. This side just basically goes over the specs of the camera. So we got 12 megapixel stills, 4K at 60 frames a second, or 1080p at 240 frames a second, which is super slow-mo. I've seen some really awesome shots of kayaks going over waterfalls or dogs jumping in lakes. It just slows it down real nice. 33 feet waterproof without a case. You can always get a case to go further down. Voice control, touchscreen. Again, that slow-mo is really awesome. It has GPS built in, so everywhere you record, it'll automatically geotag it. HDR in your photos. Hyper smooth. I'm not sure, what specific technology that is, but again, it's supposed to make everything buttery smooth no matter what you're doing. And then it has live streaming, so that's pretty cool. I guess that's through your phone if you Bluetooth it to the phone. Anyway, let's go ahead and crack this baby open and see what's what. Blue strip. There we go. It's going to be a fairly short unboxing video, I feel, because there's really not a whole lot to it. So you have that. You have the GoPro camera itself mounted on a little piece of plastic here. So that's the camera itself. Let's go ahead and take it off of this piece of plastic. And immediately, just by feeling the camera, it feels hefty. Anyway, I'll just go ahead and set that aside for a second. Just gonna show you what else is in the box itself. We have our good old trusty owner's manual. Not much to it. Again, just kind of tells you how to take it in and out of the little case there, how to charge it, where to stick your SD cards and things like that. Pretty basic manual. Help guide. Ooh, we have some stickers. Ooh, stickers. Let's see what else we got in here. Alright, this is the legitimate GoPro manual in about 37 languages. I think English is all of 2 pages. I think this is literally, how many pages is English? English is 4 pages out of this entire. That's pretty impressive. Anyway, let's see what else we got in the box. Not much. Really not much at all. Just a couple little things. That's it. That's the box. Nothing else in there. That's all you get. You get some sweet stickers though. Those are awesome stickers. You get a, what is this? No, USB 3.0. Ooh, Type-C port. For the charging cable, it is a Type-C. We have our battery. We have a couple mounts, which again, there is a, actually, no, okay, yeah. No, this one's curved, this one's flat. So flat mount and a curved mount. And that's pretty much it. There's not much else to it. I'll go ahead and dig into the actual camera itself in a separate video. But again, that's the quick unboxing of the camera. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.